Hi guys! Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teens. So our topic for today is all about proportional segments. In proportional segment, it is said that corresponding segments are proportional if the segments of one figure have the same ratio as the segments of the other. So, for example, on this segment, we have point A, point B, point C in one segment. The other segment has point D, point E, and point F. So, the measure of AB, the segment AB is 2. The measure of segment BC is 3. The measure of segment DE is 12. And the measure of segment EF is 18. So how do we know that they are proportional? So we will get the segment AB over segment BC is equal to segment DE over segment EF. Then let us substitute the value, the measure of the length of the segment. So AB has 2, BC is 3, DE is 12, and EF is 18. So, how can we know that they are proportional segments? So, we are going to get the ratio. So, if they have the same ratio, meaning they are proportional segment. So, what is the lowest term of 2/3? So, the lowest term of 2/3 is also 2/3. And the lowest term of 12 over 18, so we can divide this into 6, both. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So they are the same ratio, meaning these two segments are proportional. Okay, let us have an example of proportional segment. Number 1. So solve the following problems. A segment 250 centimeters long is divided into 3 parts in the ratio 2:3:5. How long is each part? So, the first thing to do is you have to get the ratio. So, 2, so it becomes 2x plus 3x plus 5x. You are going to get the sum. And the total must be 250. Then, you are going to solve 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10x is equal to 250. Then, divided into 10 both sides. 10 divided by 10 is x. So, 10x divided by 10 is x. 250 divided by 10 is 25. The value of x now is 25. After that, you're going to substitute the value of x into 2x, 3x, and 5x. So, in 2x, we have 2 times 25, and that is 50. In 3x, we have 3 times 25, and that is 75. And in 5x, we have 5 times 25 is 125 is equal to 250. Then you are going to add 50 plus 75 plus 125 is 250 is equal to 250. So the question is, how long is each part? So the answer is, or the answers are 50 centimeters, 75 centimeters, and 125 centimeters for the total of 250 centimeters long. Number 2. A girl wishes to divide a board 35 centimeter long into 3 pieces in the ratio 1:2:4. Find the length of each. So, again, you're going to get the ratio. Then write x. So, because 1x is also x only. Then 2 become 2x and 4 become 4x is equal to the total, and that is 35. Then you are going to get the sum. The sum is 7x is equal to 35. Divided this into 7 both sides. 7x divided by 7 is x, and 35 divided by 7 is 5. And we are going to get the length of each part. So we have x is equal to 5. So 1 times 5. 2x is 2 times 5, and 4x is 4 times 5. So we have 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, and 4 times 5 is 20. For the total of 35. So 35 is equal to 35. So the answer is, find the length of each. So the answer is 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. Okay, number 3. The sum of two numbers is 70. They are in the ratio 3:7. Find the two numbers. So what are the two numbers that the sum is 70? So you're going to get the ratio, become 3x plus 7x is equal to the sum, and that is 70. Then 3 plus 7 is 10x is equal to 70. Then divide this into 10. 10x divided by 10 is x, then 70 divided by 10 is 7. So, our value of x is 7. Then, 3x become 3 times 7. Substitute the value of x, so 3 times 7. Then, 7x becomes 7 times 7 is equal to 70. So, 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 7 times 7 is 49. Then the sum of 21 and 49 is 70, and they are equal to 70. So what are the two numbers? So the two numbers are 21 and 49. Okay, number 4. The difference between two numbers is 96. They are in the ratio 2:10. Find two numbers. So you're going to get again the ratio, but you're going to get first the bigger number because the word of difference to avoid negative sign. So we have 10x minus, because of the difference word, difference means is minus. So we have 10x minus 2x is equal to 96. So 10 minus 2 is 8x is equal to 96. Then divide this into 8 both sides. So 8 divided by 8 is x. 96 divided by 8 is 12. So the value of x is 12. Then you are going to substitute the value of x. So we have 10 times 12 and minus 2 times 12 is equal to 96. So 10 times 12 is 120. Then 2 times 12 is 24. Then subtract. So we have 120 minus 24 is 96 is equal to the difference of two numbers is 96. So they are equal. So the two numbers are 24 and 120. Okay guys, that's all for today. That is the proportional segments. Thank you for watching and God bless.